Hey fam, welcome back. Today
We're gonna be making some hot water cornbread. So we got to get some hot water. So we're gonna be boiling this water here, and then we got our cast iron skillet here. That's where we're gonna be frying that cornbread. Now, if you're not familiar with hot water cornbread, hey, let me tell you, it's a very simple recipe, and really just a couple ingredients. So we got some cornmeal. Hey, we got some salt. Then I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of sugar. You can omit the sugar if you like. Again, normally the recipe calls for cornmeal, salt, and that's pretty much it, along with your boiling water. I'm gonna add some butter because I like the buttery flavor. So I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm gonna let this melt when I bring in the hot water. All right, we got our boiling water, and this is why it's called hot water cornbread. Not because you're frying it, because you're using hot water. Now, my OGs back in the day, hey, they rather use measurements. So we're gonna take this hot water and we're gonna add a little bit at a time. Now, this hot water, what it's gonna do is gonna hydrate this cornmeal. Hey, that's the beauty of this hot water. No eggs. Like I said, they were looking, to stretch their money, right? Stretch those pockets. So they were using what they had. So water was in place of eggs, right? Eggs and milk. So you want to add just a little bit at a time. And like I said, you don't want your cornmeal to be too hydrated. You want it to be hydrated enough where it's going to form like a dough. And then that's where you're going to be able to make those patties. So a little bit at a time. And like I said, with that melted butter, with that hot water, it's going to get you that melted butter. And we almost there, fam. So I'll say just probably about another tablespoon of hot water. Hey, we'll be in the game. We get everything mixed in, that salt, butter. Like I said, fam, you don't want it to be too hydrated enough where you can make those balls. So this right here is gonna be a little bit sticky, but hey, we can work with it and we'll be in the game. I got a baking pan lined with parchment paper. Hey, this will make it easy when you take these patties and you're ready to put those in that hot frying oil. Hey, you'll be in the game. Now, what we want to do is we want to take a little bit at a time. And like I said, you don't want to have this, too hydrated where you can't roll it like a dough. You can see that's perfect right there. And then you just make your patty however big you want to make it, and you'll be in the game. Hey, for best results, it's good to put this from the hand to the pan. But once we got this skillet heated up, hey, we're gonna put these in and we're gonna let these get golden brown. When you achieve that golden brown color underneath, hey, you just give this a flip. Be careful, flip this away from you like that. Hey, yes sir. Hey, when it's cooked on each side and you got a nice little golden brown color like this right here, hey, you in the game. Hey, you can put this now on a baking dish lined with paper towel. Hey, so it can drain and cool. But fam, hey, like I said, our ancestors got us in the game. Hot water cornbread. Hey, it's a million different ways you can eat this hot water cornbread. You can hit it with some honey butter, but hey, this is what I'm working with right here. Yes, sir. Nice little bowl of those collard greens with that pot liquor in the bottom of it. So you let that soak up with that hot water cornbread. Yes, sir. Hey, you got that nice little crispy, flavorful cornbread. Hey, that's delicious right there. Hey, this is what I love about old school recipes. They so simple, but so flavorful. Hey, got you in the game.